All right, guys, we're doing the homework on page 40. What you're doing is finding the average rate of change between the following points. Average rate of change means slope, so we're going to be finding the slope between all these different points using the function given. So the first thing we need to do, if x is 0 and x is 3, I need to plug them into my function to get y coordinates, so I have the actual coordinate that I can plug into the slope formula. F of 0 equals 9 minus 0 squared. And f of 0 equals 9 minus 0. So f of 0 is 9. Therefore, the coordinate becomes 0, 9. That's my first coordinate. My next one, f of 3 is equal to 9 minus 3 squared. F of 3, well, let's see here. 3 squared is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So the coordinate is 3, 0. Now I have two coordinates, so now we're going to do our slope formula just like you've always done. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 0 minus 9 over 3 minus 0. Negative 9 over 3, so my slope, my average rate of change is negative 3. Final answer. Same thing with the next one. What you want to do is be very careful with your negative numbers because we're subbing in a negative number and we have to square it. So f of negative 1 is 9 minus, in parentheses, negative 1 squared. When you do this on your calculator, you have to use those parentheses. Negative 1 squared is actually a positive 1. That answer is 8. The coordinate is negative 1, 8. If I sub in f of 5, then I get 9 minus 5 squared, and that's going to become, throw that on your calculator, and you get negative 16. The point is 5, negative 16. Your slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. When I subtract a negative 1, that turns into addition. So that becomes negative 24 over 6, which is negative 4.